After the successful installation of the 360 Canadian PAD app, it needs to be registered before its first use. This can be done as follows. Option 1. A new notification will appear on the Roll Center homepage. Click on the link to open the registration page. Alternatively, you could also go to Assisted Setup and click on 360 Canadian PAD Setup. Click Next on the PAD Setup wizard and click Finish. Upon clicking Finish, the following help page will be opened. Now go back to the Assisted Setup page and click on the 360 PAD Setup. Now you could see that the app has been registered with a 15 days trial license. You can come back to this page anytime and click on the Purchase app to subscribe for the app.